The wall hip hinge. Isn't so much an exercise as it is a movement pattern, and one of the most important movement patterns to learn and get good at. So we're going to utilize the wall to provide us some feedback. Okay, feet are going to start about hip width, hip to shoulder width at most. Start with your backside a few inches away from the wall. Okay, from there I want you to imagine that somebody has a rope tied around your waist and they're pulling you back. Okay, and you're just going to let that rope pull your hips back. So the hips just push back. It's going to be a posterior weight shift. So you touch the wall and then stand back up. Okay, you're going to work on this, and the hands, just get them out of the way. Okay, I like to cross them in front, or they can just stay wherever out of the way, out of mind. As you get better at the small distance, move away. Okay, pushing back. At some point, I should start to feel a stretch or tension in the back of my legs, specifically more in my hamstrings, maybe my calves, not so much in my low back. Okay, so the hips are going to go back because that rope's pulling my hips back. But to counteract my whole body from falling back, I mean, imagine there's a magnet on the top of your head. Okay, and the other magnet is on the wall on the other side of the room, and it's pulling your head the other direction. So you're thinking long spine. Your butt, your tailbone goes one direction, and your head goes the other direction. So we're reaching long through the spine in both directions. Okay. And as you see, I have soft knees. So my knees aren't locked. I call them soft because they just naturally kind of unlock as I shoot my hips back, reach my head forward, reach my tailbone back. Okay. If you don't feel any stretch, one, you might be real flexible in your hamstrings, and some people just don't get a big stretch out of this, which is fine. We're more focusing on the movement pattern. Secondly, there's a fair chance that your knees are bending too much. You're turning it more of a squat movement, okay? So if you're sitting back and you don't feel anything, you keep sitting back, okay? Think about your tailbone to the ceiling. Not locking the knees, okay, but tailbone up and shifting back. And that should create some tension in the backside, okay? You know you're getting good at this when you can consistently get that tension, okay, through your backside every rep. Wall hip hinge.